Are you ready to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success on Pinterest and discover how one marketer made an impressive $14,282? This journey begins with selecting the perfect niche to target the right audience effectively. It's not just about targeting women. It's about choosing a niche that truly resonates with them. Then we'll dive into finding the ideal affiliate programs to align with your niche, including industry giants like the Amazon Partner Program. But that's just the beginning. We'll also explore the art of optimizing your Pinterest account for maximum reach, showcasing your affiliate products with enticing pins, and much more. Let's discover this affiliate marketing adventure, showing the strategies that could transform your Pinterest presence into a lucrative income stream. Why is it essential to narrow down your audience when selecting affiliate programs? Let's find out. Choosing the perfect affiliate marketing niche. To sign up for the perfect affiliate programs, it's crucial to target a specific audience, especially considering that more than 76% of users are female. Rather than broadly targeting women, it's a good idea to choose a niche that appeals to them. You can consider niches like fashion, skincare, hair care, recipes, parenting, and interior design, all of which are female-dominated and offer great visual content opportunities. Don't worry too much about overthinking the choice. You can always rebrand later. Start by brainstorming a few niche ideas, and these will be your starting points for affiliate marketing. If your niches are related, you can group them. Otherwise, just pick one to begin with. What is the significance of including well-known programs like the Amazon Partner Program in your affiliate marketing strategy? Now you can see. Choose the perfect affiliate programs for your niche. To find affiliate programs with products in your chosen niche, start with a quick Google search for best affiliate programs in your niche. This search will yield various results and websites offering affiliate programs. While you're exploring affiliate options, it's highly recommended to include the Amazon Partner Program on your list due to its trustworthiness and extensive product range. Also, consider signing up for the Impact Radius and Awin, two prominent affiliate marketplaces with a wide array of products spanning different niches and featuring well-known brands. Register for at least 5 of these programs, a simple process that takes less than 10 minutes and provides some basic information about yourself. Once you gain access, familiarize yourself with the available products. Focus on products with decent price points that align with your niche. For example, if you're in cosmetics, consider promoting perfumes. If you've chosen a niche like interior design, you could potentially earn substantial commissions for high-ticket items. But remember, take it one step at a time and start by setting up and optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. What are the essential steps to make your Pinterest profile easily discoverable within your chosen niche? Let's discover. Optimizing your Pinterest account for affiliate marketing success. To optimize your Pinterest account, first, create or convert your account into a business account through the account settings. Let's say, for example, you're in the fashion niche, specifically women's streetwear. To make your account discoverable, add relevant keywords to your name, ensuring that when someone searches for women's streetwear, your profile shows up in the results. If you need help with crafting a well-optimized description, you can even use a tool like ChatGPT to generate one. After that, you can add a personal picture and a cover picture. This can be a picture of yourself or anything related to your niche. To enhance your account's look, consider using templates from platforms like Canva to create a professional logo and banner. With these steps completed, you're ready to move on to the next stage, which involves creating engaging content. How does a free Canva account make it easier to design high-converting bundle pins for affiliate marketing? Watch to find out, but wait! If you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Crafting high-converting bundle pins for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Creating engaging pins is essential for your Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. Let's focus on my top pin style, the bundle pin, as it often results in higher conversions. These pins are designed to showcase a collection of products that complement each other, acting as upsells. You can bundle fashion items for complete outfits, skincare products for specific skin types, or even furniture that pairs well together. People appreciate these bundles as they eliminate the need for extensive research and decision decision-making. To create these pins, a free Canva account is your best friend. They offer templates perfectly sized for Pinterest. While I have more pin styles to share, this one is a great starting point for affiliate marketing success. What steps should you take to create appealing product showcase pins on Pinterest? Let's find out. Creating compelling Pinterest pins for successful affiliate marketing. To create engaging Pinterest content, consider various pin styles, including infographics, product showcases, and repurposed content like viral videos. Infographics are informative and text-heavy, making them ideal for sharing knowledge in your niche. For product showcases, take high-quality images or find aesthetic ones online to create appealing pins using Canva. Repurposing content from platforms like TikTok can capture attention, but remember to remove watermarks and always credit the original creators. One highly effective pin style is the bundle pin, which presents related products in a visually appealing way, encouraging buyers to purchase multiple items. Designing such pins is straightforward with Canva, where you can assemble product images and remove brand or source details, forcing users to click on your affiliate links to discover more. Once you've designed your pins, don't forget to add your affiliate product links. These links, together with eye-catching pins, will help you generate income through Pinterest. Finally, be consistent by sharing several pins every day to reach more people and increase your chances of making money. In this enlightening exploration of Pinterest affiliate marketing, we've unveiled essential steps and strategies that led one marketer to an impressive $14,282 in earnings. It all begins with selecting a niche that resonates deeply with your target audience and finding affiliate programs that align seamlessly. With this comprehensive guide, you're well prepared to start on your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, transforming it into a thriving income source. Best of luck on your path to affiliate marketing success. Are you ready to maximize the reach of your Pinterest account? And have you considered utilizing tools like ChatGPT for assistance? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon for notifications to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.